Boss,
because of his children.
Don Prince, wait. Who knows something? Who knows something wey continue to dey do am? Now the thing go affect. Bros, no beg am to return bride price. Time to come, now she go dey beg you, may you come carry. If I were you, may you not still carry. No carry this bride price, leave am for her. Anything wey be say she dey do na abomination, and it go come to her. E no go affect those your children. E no go affect those your children. And you, on no circumstance, should you take anything from her. On no circumstance should you even eat or drink anything that had to do with this woman. Make she carry and go. See, she said that she get power. Now she the thing go affect, not be your children. I don't know if you understand. I be which family you for come safe. All we are doing here. We see her. Or suppose now she go come the beg you with time. Leave up. You understand? And Oga Prince will be say they sleep with married woman, bros. I bet fire them, eh? The time to come, you go understand.
I want show person want talk, I beg. No, okay, bros, I beg, who you be? Hello, I beg. Did they hear you? Who you be, sir?
My name is Mr. Andrew. I've been Ilo.
Okay, you be Ilo.
Who ask me question? Who you say be? Let me know.
I be the host, sir. I be the host.
Okay, you be the host.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
When I say host, I not to know about host. Don't press for that.
Okay.
I just try to push that. I'll be hearing what people have been saying since. So I say no, I'm interested.
And the people will get case. Okay.
So the person in question is my junior brother.
Okay, priest, now your junior. Okay, priest, now junior brother, priest.
Yes, it's my younger brother.
Okay, sir. Yes. Okay.
So I'll be hearing everything when they talk about sleeping with somebody's wife. No, bro, no. Yeah. I just hear the thing for the first time.
Okay.
So that's why I will have to chip in inside the matter, literally. Because I hear everybody's posting. You understand?
Okay.
It's against the traditional rule in tradition in my land for someone to go and sleep with somebody's wife. It's against the tradition, we forbid it. So, and I believe my brother may be hearing that I came into the line in shock, but that is not the base of contention. But there is something I want to quickly know.
Okay.
This woman we are talking about, married, because I hear say that they say one lady just come up and be saying it should return the buy price. That is, I don't understand that area.
Yeah.
This woman we are talking about now is a married woman that my brother want to go and do something with. Abi?
Yes.
Okay. So, but there is something that does not clear, and I want to know. And I also still believe I'll be hearing my brother's voice since on this.
Yeah, your brother is here. Yeah.
Brother is here.
Why I'm saying this, there is something I want to know. Because my brother know quite all right. A married woman, somebody that is married is on go area. I don't know whether you understand.
Yes.
He should explain. I want to ask him a question. Let him tell me whether it is true for what they are saying, because I've never heard this thing for the first time. Because it's not good in my land. Because I can't say because it's my brother, because his wife will marry her wife completely. It's not half.
Okay, but he and his wife, sir, they are still married. Your brother and his wife, they are still married.
Yes, very, very well.
Very
well. Yes, they are still married.
It's my gift back. Why are they sending me gift?
Now, why I'm saying this, madam?
Yeah.
If then my brother went to go and sleep with another person's wife, I don't too much. And I said it's only my brother can explain that to me, and you know it's forbid. Because a woman that marry, how can you go and meet a man that is, you know, you that is why a woman that you know you have your husband has, go and meet another man. I don't understand that area, madam. So I want him to also to quickly explain 1 or 2 things to me, so that before I will know what I will tell him. Because see, they say no fight without no solution.
Solution, yeah.
Yes. If something that happened, nobody. I'm not praying for my brother to die. I'm not praying for my sister to die. I'm not praying also to get to die. Anybody to die. If something happened, we'll try to find the solution. Not quarrel, not fight, no violence. It did happen before. But Wetin cause am, and this thing, it never happened for my family.
So have you called your brother to ask why they date a married woman? The woman will know why.
I've heard it, but for your information, madam, I don't lie. I don't know how to lie.
Yeah.
And the day I lie, let me God take me away from life.
Yeah.
Today is my first time seeing now. Yes.
Wow.
Today, if I lie, let God take me away for the next day.
God forbid, yeah.
Yes, I know what I'm saying. So I just want this matter to be resolved amicably. The tradition will take their own and do it. I will support my brother if he do bad.
Abomination, yeah.
If I do it, yes, if I do it, it will affect me. That is why this thing we are talking here now is only me in family that involved. Nobody. That's why I wanted to speak a word to me. Because if it is truth, it's a taboo. Then we must follow. Many things involved, not the way you people is saying it. So let him talk. I want to hear from him.
Okay, is there your voice? Okay, maybe we talk now. Okay. You said me talk, say the maybe you don't have something
to make your mood.
Just let him speak to his father. I'm his father.
Okay, you're his father. Oh, that brother. Wow.
The tradition.
Wow. Yeah, you are his father. So you are the elder brother. You're his father.
Everything to make sure this thing, because the cleaning must be involved. Because this thing is not the way you people is looking at it, the way we look at it. I just heard this thing for the first time.
For the first
Bros. Yeah. Mr. Prince, okay.
Mommy. I just want to tell you something. Nothing. I don't have quarrel with you. I don't want anything to happen to my brother. Or rather to any of them.
Yeah, nothing will happen to. Maybe as you know now, say the woman never decide she never return bride price. Your brother will tell her me return now if you want to continue with the side she or you want leave her.
If you can't continue over our dead body, it's a taboo. It can never happen. It can never happen. I just wanted to speak a word to me.
Bros Prince, your brother said me speak a word to her. I want to hear your voice. Maybe you say something. Thank you, sir. You be honest, brother. Thank you for not supporting him. Because your brother is a full married man. He has a wife. He born twins. The wife
let Prince talk. Oga Prince, your brother said me talk. You want me to
mix. Una see why this is today say social media get problem. Because una question today na so it dey very decent to answer. Number one, to answer on this question I dey talk about so. Question one they ask now when they look for grass so I don't answer.
And your brother they ask you question, not be social media. Talk to your brother. Your brother.
Who they shout for there? Don't meet like your husband. Why you shout? Why you shout? You the husband, but now you know the romance your husband for bed. Who they shout?
No one worried on that if you know.
Who they shout for there?
May this man shut up. May this priest shut up. Marty.
You are a foolish man. You are a foolish man.
Very stupid man.
Just
ask
you a simple question. Just answer your brother. Let's hear.
May you still answer your brother.
Oh, you will be when you ask me question. Who you be?
You marry your brother.
My brother, I will be that idiot when you ask me question. Who you be?
Be the idiot too. Now your brother.
Now your brother, not my brother. My brother, me hear my brother voice. Not my brother. Now your brother be that one. I hear my brother voice.
I also my brother. Wait, ask you.
He said me you talk. He want you talk to him.
Lucky.
If I forget it,
Ah, walala, wow, my brother.
he not get husband. Now go kill myself.
Hello,
You say
lucky
no
they
get
hear you.
husband.
They hear you. Lucky
This
they
boy,
lucky they hear you.
Prince,
Me
you
not
be
even
fool.
I want to explanation. Una brother not get penis. Una brother get penis. Idiot.
Now you can't get long one. Bulldozer.
Long, very long. They put those everywhere. Very long and massive.
ọmọ Namuria.
Now me be a go for am.
See the kind of bishop marriage.
Oh, God.
He not be anything. If your body fuck well, they not go leave am. Your body fuck well.
Ah, Pussy, who were Wazua guy? Who were
What
stupid?
you stupid?
Who were stupid, my
Go
guy?
tell your brother they do my flat for police. Make the rise. You know the rise. You know the fuck
My
well.
brother, so you not get shit, the fuck married woman.
No, not be because where they are born where guess what? Who not see now
She go mother
not
swear everywhere. She go get swear everywhere. And a married
He not
woman,
there.
when that guy head that you fuck. Eh, boy, na.
This one,
Oh, everywhere swear.
it's sweet there. I
You
swear.
sweet there. When
I
not
swear.
talk
Mom,
guy.
I beg, drop
When
this
talk,
man,
my
I beg.
brother.
Drop
You not
am,
go
drop
last
am.
long.
Drop her. Best mommy, not drop her.
You say married woman
Because
sweet, my guy.
It's sweet.
this
It's
thing
My
sweet.
guy,
is
you are a
funny now.
bastard.
This thing is
You
not
are a
I
funny.
curse
madman.
your family, guy.
We
Your
not
family,
say not for
your
you.
family
Not
should be
drop her.
ashamed
No,
of you,
not
guy.
drop her.
You are a
Not be said
bastard,
she call her
bro.
come make
Your
her
family
take
should
shame
be
and
ashamed
disgrace.
of you,
I will
bro.
go give her that shame
You are a
and disgrace.
I
motherfucker.
won't do anything. I won't do anything.
I beg,
I
muna
don't
meet
know.
first. Wait,
A
I beg,
boy na
muna meet.
na you fit solo a boy na oga.
Wait,
Na you
bros.
fit solo
Muna
we
wait
o.
first. Muna
My
wait, my
boy la
brother, wait
we.
first.
I
Not
get
be waiting
myself.
the saga they talk. This one a very, very interesting matter.
Say get
Mr.
what?
Prince, somebody call Yosna. Muna wait, I beg meet everybody.
Who
Somebody
they want?
call Yosna with mama not and respect as your brother. And he's trying to explain, say, see what did happen where you know they make sense. Now they are trying to talk to you. You say your bola long. That means you they really chop the woman. Nobody will fit do you anything. And the girl now, why you dey do all those things? You don't want to deny the girl for public. Because you know, say if you deny the girl for public, maybe the girl will call the verse for you. Now make you the use shame till they talk of this one so. Because you know, say the girl in question is watching you. So you know if you deny her, now make you use shame till by phone say the man that you want you saga take do oga. Now let the woman wey dey with you for us now the pity for. Not be even the one where you dey chop now, the one where you dey with for us now. That one is not safe with you. You understand me? So it's not safe with you because the way you take the behave now, as far as say you know, say this lady, you never return bride price, and you say your bola long, say the other one bola sumo, now make her you your bola the sweeter. So you now see the way women take this follower, many women out for abroad. They go they spoil many women name. So they don't come spoil the use children take the blackmail men. Many men still they way still they nice. Forget I don't know what did the guy don't do, but the way me take they see all these things now. This woman now make people be careful for her. This lady in question where be say they pretend you in short Inika will ask you question. Even these boys so where they feel say Igbola long so Inika will agbe kiageni.
But I don't think the woman has single mother with two children, two papa.
Four children.
Two
Okay,
papa.
the priest, the boy wey dey
children,
come priest, you not get wife for
Four
her.
children. Best
No,
mommy.
wife.
Best mommy. Oh.
Okay, so
Your
now
clients,
make
you not
continue.
can
If you
defend
say
your
Igbola
clients
long,
against
make you
best
continue the
mommy.
do
Be
am.
my client. So go back client.
You never return bride price. You there aware. You dey fuck the woman. Please, you be idiot to guy, oh, don't be lie, oh.
You don't feel the idiot because
You know that if you love the woman so much, say you want the woman, why you not tell her?
Let me talk to her. Mona, let me talk to her. Mona, let me talk
what
to
you
her.
want to, what you want to. All those
General, I drop it.
Mona, meet to say, man, talk to her.
Case, you want to
Mona, talk to her. Meet the rest of the people, talk to her. My brother, please.
I'm asking good morning, darling. How you doing?
Shut up there. Nobody will teach that guy about me.
Mona, meet the rest. Man, talk to her now. Wait,
What you want to talk?
Live there.
Prince.
What you got to talk?
Wait, Prince.
What you want to talk?
give this.
Okay, now, are you happy this kind of disgrace where they give your family? Now, you happy? Are you happy?
I'm not getting the grace to give any family. The only the grace to give to my family if I not say he be married woman.
Calm down now. Calm down.
If I not say be married
When I
woman,
wait, my talk to her.
You come
what do
down.
you want
No,
to?
Say this woman a
you want
married
to say
woman
me I
before you start
drop
to dey
you.
chop
I
her.
don't
You want to say
know.
me
I
I
don't
drop you.
talk.
You come down, go relax.
I know
You
say
want to
I'm
say
a
me I
married
drop
woman.
you. You come
Drop the
down.
wife, you drop the man,
when I
you
wait, my
drop the
talk to
I
wife.
know
her.
say I'm a married woman. When I talk
Una,
now, when I talk.
be twist. When I wait, my talk to her.
When I
Oh,
enter,
we
when
are
I
going
talk.
Say this.
now. Una
Una not you wait. You don't know
Why
say this
when you
woman
tell
dey
me your
husband
friend?
before
Eh,
you go
yeah,
dey chop
yeah,
her.
gaga, gaga, na nya ike ri emi le ring road.
Because you know
Why when
the
you
one
case
person
you?
talk.
Mona wait now. Mona leave now. Make the rest people. Moderatory one now.
Don't please.
Frustration women, they enter left.
Where's your run for this
Now
man?
they call me
Run
the
for
priest,
this
I won't
man.
be listening.
You see that this
Don't
I
man.
don't
please.
dey hear wetin dey
See
talk.
this
I don't dey
man.
hear talk.
Don't please. May you wait. Let the man talk wetin he want talk. No, na you let her voice out so that before
May
now
I leave you? May I
talk.
answer a question? May I leave
May
you? May I
you
answer a
wait,
question?
God,
And they
please
ask
wait
person question.
first.
Say, may I
Let her
wait. Tell
talk.
me, they
Now you
answer a
get
question.
case.
May you
No,
meet
na
me
Ask
wait.
any
first,
question.
madam.
Any question when I ask me, you don't get it to first. If I don't say I'm going to do my only swear on the swear, he go call to me. If I don't know, he go call to me. He go-
Well, let people.
Angel don't pass. But there is a high possibility say this man no know say that woman marry or that woman feel like or that woman asha. That
If
woman
I
Exactly.
say
Now wetin
no,
me
if
want
I
talk
say
be that.
no,
You guys say no. They say no. You
say
know.
no. If I say send out the marriage
You
picture,
don't
he say he no
go
go gree
zone.
me
You don't
husband
go
swear.
zone for them.
He say he no go gree me husband swear.
Yeah.
Say if your husband swear, say go the cost go yok by your husband.
okay.
The
Okay,
man say
from
go zone. The man
beginning.
say go zone for them because of this man.
My love, pretty see. You see, one thing about toasting a married, all of us will be married woman here. If you say, man never say, how are you? Now you will come and say, please excuse me, I'm a married woman. It's very
Exactly.
strange. You know
God
understand?
bless you, Mitiri D.
Now you go
You
tell the
know,
man
this
say,
one, they want to for clear. You know, they want
may you
to talk.
beauty. Mommy, not that your moderators are not. Oh, yeah, ba. You they
Yeah,
get
me
this
not mama.
pretty.
Now
Pretty,
he
they get.
get case.
More
Now let
people.
her talk.
Smoker.
If you talk finish, we drop her.
Oh,
Now
yeah,
let
make
her
sure.
talk.
Make sure.
When you see what this man they talk, when we touch
Mona
this
let
this
her
man they talk.
finish. If
Finish
una not
first.
reply, I not go cause una. Mona let her finish. Now he get case. If he talk finish, we drop her. Get Tori on since we don't still see married man where the defense side chick more than wife. Now good thing, good
He's
news.
concerned.
Okay, continue.
Now me get all of you. Now my property.
Another man wife. Excuse.
Okay, sir.
You know
Continue,
fit
sir.
divorce this
Now
man.
my
Judge, you know
Mona
fit
leave
send
her.
go tell agent of date of America. You know
Area
concern
one.
me.
No. Tell them.
Who
Tell
go
them,
now?
sir.
Now me cause na problem. I not cause na problem.
Not be you at all. Tell them.
So
carry
wetin
money
one
tell
like
her come
for
up.
people na
Who
husband
carry
for
her
prison.
come up?
Na project wey dey talk about whatsoever. I no know say na
Salobua. Mona let the priest talk now, if not so.
A moderator now are dropping men. Moderator, moderator.
The priest, why will you drop yourself? Now you drop,
Larry,
Abi.
a moderator no moment to real, so I bought well. You ya moment to the moderator. E o mi
Where
me
they
go
who
ma
they say
go.
who they go and
Why
where they
The
chop
moderator?
the
priest it
bar?
were oh.
Una mwe
The
su
priest it
o tu.
were.
Where go on now? This one
Ini
be
ka
time
oge
to
well.
take
Ini
play.
ka
The
oge well.
priest
I
talk.
no ma
They
o.
should.
Ini ka oge
The
well.
priest talk, I
Under
will wait
bolo
you. I just yeah, who
now
Tori bar.
people, you see this man now when they talk so excuse me when I wait. This man is embarrassing the Benin men. I don't know the trap with the man bill. He's embarrassing the do people or Nigerians
But not
because the
say
way this
Benin man,
man
not
is
be Benin
speaking.
man.
I don't know the trap where the man be. Imagine now that they talk issue. Best the man like you, they come out, they talk, say, see what to make your house spoil. The man was suspecting you before. Now God they make you they confess so. If they say now waiting the man 1 year for many years. Now you they do so.
wetin the man
The
wan hear.
man
Is the man is he a
you
man?
need to hear this kind
Is
of
he
thing
a
from your
man?
man because the
If he's a
woman
man, he
still
no
they
be wey dey
deny.
call me.
So what you they talk so he go make the man
I
sleep
no
well
fit
tonight.
because I no dey nobody fit get wetin fit do me.
I know nobody figure what you do. We know, no worry. Now you be Superman, no worry. But my young will tell you this one. You see the man in
I
question,
no know
who
say
if
that man.
marry the girl, the man will marry the girl. I believe say that one go sleep well tonight because why? He don't tell where they tell the wife, say Larry, who be this man? Your wife, this
Why
girl
you
they
get
deny
this
you
life
for a
sef
very
na
long
because
time. So God
who
come bring
comment
am
this
today,
life?
now you talk and say,
Na first one be say na my wife. It not be say na the wife na my wife. I no go tell this life. You think say na
Who
all
be your
those
wife?
rubbish.
now God can't expose you
Who
for
be
here. Relax.
treasure?
Na
Who
social media
be
we dey
Who
do.
be
Na
God?
here
wife?
we dey
Not be
talk
your
Come
wife.
everything.
on,
Now
I
what we
reject
dey
her
do for
for
here?
her.
Now God can't expose
yeah,
you.
yeah.
The way God go expose you, so na so go
Pretty
expose
doctor,
many
ya
many
the
people
wet
wey dey
to
do all this kind
ban.
of thing.
Don't be at
Tomorrow now maybe
Nyari
your
wet
picture
to
go
ban.
start to dey
yeah.
fly tomorrow. Now make
No, no.
everybody
If
know
you
you. We
pop,
never know you now. No
if
worry.
you pop my,
Bloggers
if
go
you
help
pop
us do
my
your
picture,
picture come out tomorrow. Make the whole world know
if
the
you
man
pop
where
my
they fuck
picture,
married woman for Edo
if you pop my
cyberspace.
picture,
All bloggers,
if
wanna
you
carry
pop
the
my,
pictures, I beg, wanna investigate her. So that more
if
now
you
go take
pop
beat
my
her, beat
picture,
the
if your
family.
mother not
So that
beg
may he
down,
enter his
if your
body, may
mother,
say,
if your mama
may
go
he
beg
feel
down,
her, may family feel
if
her.
you
One by
pop
May
one
my
where
now.
picture,
Africans feel her,
your
may
mama
they
go
feel
beg
her.
down. Your
You
mama
understand me?
go beg
So
down.
if we beat
Your
them, they
mama
go feel the way
go
it
beg
be.
down. Your
So
mama
bloggers, I
go beg
beg,
down.
wanna remove the man picture,
Fuck
come
you,
out, the
fuck
wife,
up
all of
down.
them.
If you
Wanna
try
sample all
now,
of them
your mama go
tomorrow,
go down.
make the saga
You
start.
not try
One
now.
video,
Your mama go go down. Your mama go go down. Go try. Ask question. Ask question. You
But
dey
Oga
craze.
Prince, abeg wait, he don't
Fuck
do.
you. Nobody ask me question. Don't that
Oga
idiot.
Prince, how many
Nobody.
people you go fit fight? He don't do. Now you
Nobody.
go dey
No,
cause
no.
person, mama. Say wetin dey happen now. Person
Okay,
never cause
who
your
go?
mama, you dey call
Who goes?
your
Who
mouth
goes?
just dey
Who
make
goes you? Who
parararararararararararara. You
para?
no
See,
even dey shame. You not dey shame. You dey defend side chick than your wife. Because a person you keep quiet, they look you for here. Your man just dey make pararara like 1 meat wey remain for pot of soup. Worry. Your wife dey here. Since it not be like say your wife dey here. You just dey here, they don't know. Who you be, say, when you say mama go down. Who be you? When go tell person say mama go down, go where? For your case, you dey mad. Come on, get her from this platform. You naughty man. Be down on mama. What defended side chick? Your wife dey here, you not talk. You dey do. I be you don't smoke it go before you come here. How you dey tell person say mama go down? Or zoo or no mama. You call here, you not fit defend your wife. You dey say you never see. Woman want to breathe pint for this kind man. Even good as the woman not even give you any pint. You don't see the color of your wife pint. How you want
Woman
to
when
see
they
am?
beg things.
You dey defend your wife. You defend a side chick than your wife. Say la so your wife not give you lele me do. You dey mad. When they worry this way, mama go down, mama go down zoo.
see, when you also get gas, I wish you get better
The
husband when you
most,
say that.
the most,
I wish you.
Get the
funny
fuck
thing
out.
sef una no
You
even know.
naughty
The
man.
side chick
Get
is
out.
so proud for her dirty thing when she dey do.
Yes.
She go come here, come the one they tease the woman with the woman when get husband. He want the bully her. The side chick is very stupid, eh? She is very proud. She go come
I
call
not go
her.
blame
You
the
when they
side chick.
beg
This
since.
man by talking, what did this man doctor for you? Me say now he give the side chick power to talk to
The
his
Yes.
wife
side chick
anyhow.
even dey cause the woman see so.
The
The side
side
chick dey
chick they
cause
Yes.
the
cause his
woman.
Make
wife.
na
He
let
still
me
She
come
go
here they
see
come
drop
here
talk
now,
inside
she
oh,
go
na
chick.
laugh.
just dey drop me
Hmm?
since
No
morning.
verse, mama.
Make na
Maybe they
let
will bring
us
people where they get
arrange
face.
Ah,
award for
wow.
this man,
When
for
they
the
worry
best
this man, he
man
just
of
they
the
He be
talk
year
like
with
when
me
they
star
for
boy.
years
support
since.
side chic.
Who's what?
This man come up because he see say they hang his side chic picture.
No
He
man
say
now.
never call social
Still
media
message
before
you. The side
because
chick
of
dey
this
insult the
matter. He
wife oh. The
run
side
come
chick dey insult the
outside.
wife oh for WhatsApp
Imagine.
because the man
Because now the man give the side chick that chance to insult his
that
wife.
He
chance
give
very
am
bad
power
of
just
them.
Oh,
because
him
of
mama
money
go
wey
go
She
down,
side
not
mama
chick
go
dey
go
give
the
down. When man
am.
go
shame.
down,
Just
wait.
because of money. Which kind life be this? How did you want your wife to feel this night
See,
now? See this kind
Why
of
you want to put pants for
embarrassment when you
you?
they give your wife. You they support side chick self, they get mad, they climb up, come they
Come they
talk.
bully the woman, they
Ah,
laugh.
oh my God.
They say the
I
woman
suppose
they
they
beg.
meet to normally.
My
Now
sister.
me, I
A
not bless
side chick
Ashiko.
go
That
have
she God go
side chick
bless
now
you.
and
I
they
really
ask her say
love you
which
so
wife.
much. You are the
Now
best
you
Ashiko
can be
in this
wife.
world. My
no,
sister, you
no,
not
no,
get
go
You
get
still
husband.
they
question na the
still
Sorry.
they
man.
comment oh. The woman
Ogele
still they
mo ka
comment.
gbọ́tọ̀ ní tá ṣe kí ọ̀gá ìgẹ̀lẹ̀ ọ̀gá
This
ìgbà
mommy
gẹ̀lẹ̀ mo ka gbọ́tọ̀.
my sister, you don't have husband. Go and look for husband. You never marry at all, at all, at all. You never
Treasure.
even get husband.
Everybody
The
akwa
woman,
bad
the
to the
side chick, they say which
You even they
wife?
beg for this kind
Pussy
of man.
pay
Make them
How
me.
dare
forgive.
At
she?
least
Ah,
if you
God
say the
forbid.
man no come outside, maybe they for chop the game matter alone. He and wife go settle themselves. He all come up, come they
No,
defend the side chick. They defend and say
Aisha,
the woman not do anything.
my love.
Who they remove?
Man, not vex.
Who
I be
they
married
see the
woman
remove?
stupid
also.
side
This
chick.
woman,
You
Now,
Now,
mommy, 3D
husband,
they
go and look
come
for
out.
husband.
Make
Who
them
remove
drop this
maturity?
side chick.
No,
Wetin she wan
who
come dey
remove
talk for
maturity?
here? Shameless woman. Now they make them
Now
they
this
use
man
just
go
married
talk who
woman.
can
You
drop
girls
her.
band
Who
house.
they
You
gift
dey
her?
sell best spread. They
Stupid
use
girl,
you sell
shower
the
girl.
best spread. Rubbish.
Mama, you dey talk.
Wetin you want me
Na
to
your
tell
mama
your
you dey talk.
You
children?
know
They
the
grow, say
shame.
make you come up for
Which
their
children dey
As
papa
you
want
see
talk
house.
to? Na your
treasure.
mama you dey talk. Your
Shut
mama.
up your mouth. I don't fit follow you talk. You know even worthy of my
Ashawo,
talk.
Ashawo
You
of
this
Freiburg.
shameless
Cry me
disgrace
blood. Cry
person.
me blood. Cry me blood.
Ashawo na.
Who they cry? Who they
Oh, you
cry
go
You go
for
sell
you?
cry,
I
best.
dey
tire,
You go
pity
God
sell
on your
punish
best
you.
spread. You go
children.
use your totote. They
A
don't use your
person don't
totote
have
test
go
am.
he can pay. If he use it,
Now as
God,
you see treasure, na make am. As you see
No even
God
dey
treasure.
punish
shame.
you.
Now as you see the
For
woman, I make
sure.
am.
And God will punish you.
Now as you
Becky,
see
you
the
don't talk.
woman.
God save you now.
May
God
you
just
talk
save
now,
you. So
Becky,
soon
don't
me
talk
cash you
again.
for
You don't
my
quiet. You know
house.
they talk.
Make I use to
Make
bend down
Mama,
una
you
wait,
drop
pamper
Mona
your
wait.
her.
She
head.
dey
See,
talk to the
Becky
woman.
talk
Mona
now.
wait. Mona wait. Now the
You
woman, the
talk.
wife, now they call Becky.
You
So
know they
Mona
talk.
wait.
Becky talk.
Eh,
You
na
know
the
the
woman
the
they
matter.
call
Mona
Becky,
Becky,
not
yeah.
drop her. Oh. Mona not
one
drop this
bell.
lady. Oh. Mona wait. May talk to the woman. Continue your madness now.
No,
Who
mommy,
drop
Who they
her?
stop.
drop her? Mona not they
All this
drop
your
her.
Moderator,
moderators
man, they
sef.
calm down.
Ah,
No, they
Make them
drop
pick up
her.
your other
Just
woman
say
sef.
Mona not
yeah.
they drop her again
I
now.
don't know which kind
Mommy,
of
Nana, you
Vaseline
supposed see who
moderator
they
be all
drop
this
people for
one.
there now. You
Say
supposed
what
see
else
am now.
now?
Not be the screen they look so. Which kind thing be this one? We don't see talk to the man finish. We'll go talk to the side chick.
Ah, I know they
Just
drop
tire.
people anyhow.
Wow. She get
Eh,
mind
girl,
there.
go on. Now be moderator, now not be
Not
God
that
though.
man, not
I
the
just
man
Now
get
the
tire.
am
way
bad
who they always they do
because
this
the
thing, na
wife
to
no be
the
wife.
troll
The
and
wife na
wait.
the side
Una
chick.
go they
Now
drop
start
on
to
me
be wife.
3D
Which one be
anyhow.
say you get
Una
married?
still
You
do
not
am
get
for
married.
social
The
platform. They
woman,
know they do that thing.
Now, see finish the worry, then not be their fault. Not be
Who
me
they
leave my
do that
platform
thing?
for here.
You not
I
like
not
mommy
blame them.
3D, me anybody not like her. Una not stop that thing.
No, I'm not just in my moderator day, no.
Mommy, Nana, na moderator now, and now today I dey media. And you did they
No.
supposed to see the moderator where they do. And now this guy will come down, na moderator drop am. Ah, okay, if as you can't drop the man, na Tracy drop now. What do we call the talk for here?
Nothing now. Who they go?
Tracy, now Tracy see there. Now you Tracy the cost yours now.
yes.
Eh? Oh my God, my
Now
damn or drop
now
your
this
ekpaka.
woman, now the wife is the cause now.
Now the
Eh,
woman
can
they
you
cause
just
you
see
don't
They
how
even
know they
cause
even they
anybody. You
think
don't
about
mind
the
anybody
woman
when they
mental
cause
health
her.
and anything. The man
Mommy,
just
Stella.
come here, they support his side
My
chick, they
sister,
call, they call
Asha, that
insult.
mental health issue. As a married woman, one get mental health for useless one, they get mental health.
No, no, no,
What?
no, no, no,
Which
no.
kind mental
It's
health?
not the
If you
happen
want get
inside
me, go
house. That
get
one,
it.
this is public
You don't
disgrace
get
now.
husband, my sister. Go look
And
for
that the
husband.
next
This is
time
not
you cash
marriage.
out for your house like this,
Man, when you say you're the disgrace for
this
social media
grace
like
come
this.
up for your head.
If they
If
go
you want to
gym,
get
they
mental
go
health,
fine boy.
you go get mental health, my sister. I'll tell you the truth. You are not married.
Abeguna non verse. While we need a setting
Which
green
kind of
on.
mental health be
Thank
all
God
this
say na
kind of thing?
me.
They make
And
you want
again,
to,
mommy
parents
Nora,
like this, one of the depressed, eh?
Yeah.
Sister
You
Sweet,
deserve one.
Abeg no verse. Mommy Nora, next time this kind of topic, they know they do am on Saturday because on Saturday for me they don't do. They don't hide. Before you know though, they talk out of points. Now they do that man just now.
That
That one.
man, now once you tell us he don't
Nah,
hide.
like, you know,
Talk
you know
what
your
you dey
dream.
talk.
You know
They
your
ask
dream.
Saturday, may I
question,
come
you
You
talk
know
know
for
your
the
working,
dream.
may I
So
answer.
you
come
have to
talk
be
for
on your
working
rest.
time. Okay, tomorrow na Sunday, people, may I come talk for
Mommy
working
Nora,
time. Tomorrow na
no.
Sunday.
For that one, I joke I dey see. You see, you see. I want to ask question. Abeg una no verse. Why e be say some women go get good man? They go misuse that man. Oh, they go use their heart to away that man. Once they don't leave that marriage, they go they follow another woman where they cocoa you they go they drag man. Why
The
that thing
drag
common for
man.
this country? Jamie,
Because
where I dey?
oh boy that lukwa.
Abeg una no vex o. The question fit annoy some people. Why e be say some women no go fit hold their man o? Once they don throw away the man, they go dey follow one woman wey dey sukman wey dey manage the husband dey go. They go dey follow am dey drag man.
He no
Why?
go fit.
One
He
Mrs.
no go fit
Perfect
vex
for that
anybody.
one.
Na the fact they talk. If they come up for their
Why?
own, na another
Abeg, make una
married one
no
they go
vex o.
follow.
Make we talk am one now. Na it go really make sense
Because
pass.
you know
Now
why?
one we
You
dey
see
talk
this
am
thing
so.
wey happen now. This woman speak because she's pain. Emotionally, she's darkest. Like she dey down. No woman wants to be dragged because of say another woman they follow the husband, they waka they go. I can feel her pain, which is normal for every human being.
4 years.
Okay, now you see this Tracy. Now, if I tell you, say as he bring this matter come, obviously she was looking for a solution. But trust me when I I say the thing is now going to be worse. I swear. You see this man will come up just now. I'm sorry, sis. You no get husband. I am very sorry. For a man to leave you when you don't marry, according to Nana, over 5 years, he just come here now called a defense side chick. He no be gay, but he don't say the other side chick husband go last small. Fellow Nigeria, muna come o. Muna come o. How that man na continue say the other one go last small? How?
Hey, mommy, Trinity, go sleep.
I beg go, pretty doctor, I tell no. I
Mommy,
tell no, fellow
TV.
Nigeria.
No, talk and small now. Mo talk and small. Where me really just want talk about now, that's adulterous. Now that place me dey where me just be like saying.
I can't man if you be woman wrong no.
Wait, mo talk and small. If I talk my own finish, you talk your own. That place may be say person, you know say you marry. As a woman, say you marry, now man bring you come. And for inside marriage, now you still there, so another man can't talk to you. You can't accept him. And that man, when he still talk to you, still there inside marriage, yeah, your wife get misunderstanding. And now could they date, the matter can't come out firstly. People can't settle around. Una can't zo, una no rest. And mommy Tracy, this lady, when they call Becky, so you will be saying the wife will be the matter. You can't know. You no fear say your husband they go carry bola. Go they put for person wife. Come carry and give you for house. Una see where bad luck they start when not they finish for children. And that same bed, your children will go lie down put. If you not be Benin person, sometimes you get what you they do when not make sense. So first, the man go still use hands.
No, not be Benin, Miss Sandy.
He go still use the same hand to rub your children heads. He go still come out. Go sleep with person wife. Oh God, no not stop all these things now. The thing just they do me one kind for body. And this same man come out, they talk with pride. Say it is normal. Say shike now. I don't know say I think now shike now start. I mean no say it don't happen. Shike not be married person. Everybody can attack Shike for social media. You see, but married man come out boldly. They not come for chest say person wife.
They talk say na him get like say dem be property goose.
Say the man go last more. Say you night long for boldly.
Say you na bulldozer.
Like what I don't understand. Are we trying to say that it's not normal that everybody can be doing? Because I don't understand this. I rest my case.
I beg, I will come back to that man. But this lady, this side chick, wetin he want me they tell his children if they don't grow, say make their papa leave their mama. He want me that they tell his children say now because they go they sleep with another married man, she know they shame. She suppose they send request, come this place, come they make my papa. So women, so married women, we suppose they gather go now house go they
arrest she not they exist again. They arrest she not they exist again.
Una no they get shame. Where una put una dignity? Where it dey? You still carry your bride price and cut money. Everything you go to use and knock for us.
Knock another man.
The audacity, the infantry.
They would cause his wife. They cause his wife.
Mama Tracy, you offend me. Wetin make you dey carry phone when you cash am? You don't fit drop your phone. Make you fit beat am.
No, children come there.
Children go tell the story. Now children go even go help me bring pepper.
Apart from that one, say na true that I go smash your head for war. You go know what.
Apart from that one, any man where they zone for your wife, say your wife go commit adultery.
Hey, the man say why you go zone for the beginning? Why you go first zone for him?
He's a stupid man. So now because
I say the man for right say what if I don't fit.
I shall comment
guy no go
as a man. It's a sign of
weakness. Do you know why? You know why the woman get the effort to continue to do it? Because the man na foolish man.
The man don't first zone.
Because the man don't first zone. Of course, you go zone again. Now because the woman don't need the relationship again, I didn't make the man no zone. That is the truth. Now because of say the woman, the thing don't enter her head, she no need the relationship again. Now it make the man no zone. If to say the woman say he still need that husband, he still need the children papa, if the man go still go zone for the second time.
Go zone. What about they give me gift? Man, that's why I mean I don't spend my gift again.
Man, stop it. Any woman when he even go sleep with another man, it not mean you well because he know the repercussion. It not mean you well. You can't carry go the zoo, say you can't come for Nigeria. Woman, we don't fair bone. We're supposed to they cherish you. We're supposed to they say thank God. At the end of the day, now they use you, they do jeje.
But me tell you, you always say they pay that get 5,000, we give her the whole money.
For her mind now, the man and mumuna. What are we not saying?
So we una dey get loco. Una dey get loco. Una go use una access where God gives, where God gives una.
They'll use their house to where they go dey go for another person husband.
5,000, the man, you know who take 1,000 inside, or 2,000 give you 3. He give you all of them.
He give you good man, you need man. Follow Tracy, they drag your husband. You see, fellow Nigeria, muna come.
Fellow Nigeria men are come. Fellow Nigeria men are come. We don't catch one man. He can't come out. He say no, they come social media. Not be say they post your picture. They post your side chick. You come up. You say the girl na innocent girl. I never see married man.
Yeah, you see wife. You see wife don't arrange the house. Wife don't arrange the house. Where?
You say wife no
value. If your wife will give you paper. Wife will give you paper. We carry you come me. Wife will give you paper.
So the other one, side chick.
They carry that one come from Nigeria.
You know the one where they pay me for inside.
2 share products.
You know the one where they pay me. You know the one where they pay me for inside. This say Tracy still go airport, go pick her. He not reach us first. You can't go the second one. You go count
the children when they born for her. Pretty you know reach out. Don't
travel. After the side chick make it go
after side chick. He don't control side chick.
They can't give that one kid. He can't go stay inside.
Go stay wait for her.
Person when he meet when you go suppose shot say na intruder smash his head for war. Be ambulance so can't carry him.
He smash his head. Kidagati pikin.
Tracy.
I know that's fine.
Like Tracy, I want to talk to her beg. Tracy, she dey listen.
Tracy, I beg. I don't understand. Now quiet the others one because the see finish of the man, the girl is too much.
It's too much for both of them.
You not fit deal with the man. You not fit deal with the man. Being not fit deal with the woman. I be not know where the girl dey. If you not fit deal with the girl for this country, you not fit go house, go do one for house way. You know if you go deal with that girl for house. Maybe say a family that they family don't want to put their family now. If they hurt the family for that side, you know, sir, God, so the girl will even climb or they talk to you anyhow.
That one not said, but if you like, who go for mama head though? This one don't pass that.
My sister, if you still there with that man, you are a disgrace, Tracy. If you are still with that man, as we speak,
no.
The
time she don't pop for the man, now you pop for the man.
That man, no, the thing they pay me. No, Mr. Tracy, the thing they pay, the thing they pay really. Now you be the something. Not be say she be there right.
The one where you're telling us in that disgrace now.
No, she be there right. She there right, but come that say she too quiet. See the way the man take come here.
We'll talk about it.